The heck was that?
Ice cream! You can turn into Groot?
Apparently.
I'm a force of nature.
You are not no force of nature. Come on!
Alright, I'll be there in a second.
I'm never gonna forgive you for this.
Some fresh air will do you good, city girl.
Come on!
Oh wait, I think I forgot my oven. Alright, got you.
The glitch seems to be blocking them from shutting us down.
Yeah,
Oh, I was about
and he
to
seems
say.
a tiny bit eager to stop us from finding another one.
That's an understatement.
But at least now we know that we can actually break the machine and escape.
Hopefully.
I was hoping I could do that.
He was a fairy.
Oh, she was a fairy, huh? Well, I'm a fish.
Like, can you do anything to me as a fairy?
No. I really wish I could just, like... Roblox sound effect. Nom nom. Nom nom nom.
Friendship! Hurry! 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 Ow!
Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to do that.
Ah!
Okay, that wasn't my fault, alright?
Hurry! Hold it, hold it, hold it. The mask!
Keep it up, I'll find you a banana. No!
Oh,
I suppose nature needs its nurture.
I just saw a bird get eaten.
That's crazy. Ah! Oh, wait! Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Ah, that's stupid. Ooh, even better.
Okay. Throw me slow and steady now, please.
Right.
I can go faster. All aboard!
Go. You gotta slow down.
Bro, you don't even need to jump over that. Just go down.
Oh.
There you go.
Ready?
Alright, let's go. We're going on a trip.
Spider-Man? Oh, jeez, you
Stable,
was like
I'm-
Spider-Man for a second.
Bro, it's the Elytra minigame from Minecraft.
Oh, no, not this.
Actually quite nice.
You're finally able to play it.
Comfortable.
If only this was in first person.
It's a lot easier.
Nook screw! Nook screw!
Okay. We're here to stop a bomb train from reaching its target.
Is this like
Alright,
a train heist?
A sci-fi train heist.
Sure.
Oh, water. We would have died.
Oh,
Whoa!
I guess we're
Coming
chasing
mine.
that.
Coming in hot!
Oh, you can barrel roll.
Ah, shoot. I came in too hot. How do I do barrel roll?
I don't know, me and you are different controllers. So it might be square for you.
It's a trap! Do a barrel roll!
The bomb is at the train's locomotive.
All right, let's get it.
Oh!
There, catch that train!
Oh, so it doesn't kill you, okay. Wait a minute!
It's the Fortnite thing! That from Chapter 2, Season 3! Down, 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 down.
Watch out, lines. Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Bro, we're styling, bro. Look at this.
It's like Wii Sports Resort.
Oh no! What do we do? Get your wings
Oh,
ready!
the thing is stop.
Attack formation!
The Elytra.
Mission.
Coming in hot.
Now that's an impressive sight!
Get on that train now!
Okay, who did the Moses?
Don't lose
Okay,
your
so we're
balance!
supposed to just get to the end, and oh! So we're just supposed to get to the end of the train, got it.
I'm reaching to the choir.
Oh, that's the end
What
of the
the-
thing.
Get it.
That's the end of the school.
Oh my gosh, it's the Cuphead minigame!
It's Cuphead! Can you respond? You're shooting it backwards! It's almost dead, come on.
Shoot the bombs! Bombs away! Owie!
Hurry up and respawn!
Hurry up and respawn!
No! Are you kidding me?
There's no way we died at the end.
Alright, stay alive, stay alive, stay alive! Get that line, get that thing up there! Come on! Yes!
I gotta do a barrel roll!
Nope, no barrel roll.
Let me do a barrel roll! Oh wait, what's this?
I don't know, but make me fly away.
I bet.
Wow.
Wait, hold on.
That was sick. There must be something we can do with these birds.
I'm gonna say that you have to do something with that green
Scared.
flower patch right there.
There must be a way to crack the egg.
Oh no, wait, I have a better idea.
Wrecking ball!
No, push it forward.
Hey, little fella!
Oh, I know what we gotta do. Peter's gonna be crying. Ready?
On three. Whoa. Oh no. And it stays up there for a second, so here, do it, and I'll do it. It hatched!
I'm gonna kill it.
Angry bird.
You know, every summer we used to take...
Look. I'm sure this means a lot to you. But do I have to remind you that we're stuck in a simulation? We have to move.
Jeez,
Can I, like, pay attention to the damn lore? Let me hear her talk. I'm about to come in there and beat your ass.
And it is only the true friends of the Underlands who know the secret passcode.
Wow, what a password.
I'm about to burn this dang tree down.
Step back.
Damn.
Okay, this is the heart of the forest, the very essence of the wilderness.
Sounds intriguing.
Behold!
Oh.
Zoe?
Oh. Groot went into the tree? 10 testicles.
Knock it off! Show yourself!
Kinky.
Shut up.
I think you gotta attack the bug.
Crunchy.
I wonder.
Yeah, work those adorable legs.
Go.
Thanks.
Oh. This looks like another one of yours.
Ladies and
Really?
gentlemen, I present to you our new and hopeful contestants. I
GLaDOS!
hope that this aspiring duo
Who's
will
this?
be the lucky ones who
GLaDOS!
survive.
Get
GLaDOS!
Are you ready?
No idea.
I can't hear you.
I can't trust the cake. So if you see cake,
Let
don't
the
trust it.
games begin.
Okay.
Is this some sort of wicked game show?
What? I have a
Here,
soft spot
switch.
for game shows.
Tonight, we're going to play bomb toss. The rules are
What?
easy. I'm going to give you a bomb. Then, simply go from
I
A to
love
B
bombs.
and put the bomb in the bomb container. Here, give it a try. Toss it to each other a couple of times. Feels good, doesn't it?
No.
Good
Bro,
job.
it's just blade ball.
Oh, and I should probably mention this minor detail. The bomb will explode if you hold on to it for too long. So
hot
without
potato.
further ado, start the show!
What do we do?
Go, go, go!
This night's gonna be something
Damn it.
else. Can you feel it?
We had to work
Ooh,
together.
that's gotta hurt.
Go, move it!
We have to work together. Catch.
Ah! It just had to be bombs, didn't it? Lid's open!
Rest in
I
pieces.
think I threw it.
Let's go! Dispose the bomb! Eat it!
Look at
You got it. Let's kick it up a notch. Same
Let's
thing
not
as
kick
before,
it up a
with
notch,
a
GLaDOS.
sprinkle of extra fun. Everybody
Extra
ready?
fun?
I know I am. Let's go.
What?
Stay focused. That was only the warm-up.
What?
That was
Only
fun.
the warm-up! No!
Ouch! Almost felt that
There's a
myself.
glass mirror telling us we can't get the bomb. There's a glass mirror. We can.
Okay, now how do we toss it to each other?
We have to run to the other side.
Oof, that'll leave a
No.
mark.
There's triggers like these.
Oh! Here, get up here.
Oh, mind the fuse.
Got it!
Go, go, go.
Whoops.
No!
Okay, so we gotta stay on the same. Here.
Hot potato!
Quick.
Better toss the bomb before it's too late.
I've got the bomb! Chuck it!
There's no way.
Oh, I got it!
We don't have to wait for. We don't have to like jump or activate it. We just gotta wait.
Okay, I got the bomb!
Come on.
Here, I'll open it.
Dump the bomb!
Breathtaking! Let's amp up the heat, shall we?
No!
Let's make things
No!
a bit more dangerous. And let
Yes,
wild
no!
emotions run, well, wild. All right, can't wait to see how this plays out.
Where the
Oh, pass it here, pass it here,
Expenses on
pass
pyrotechnics.
Where? Oh, you're
Okay, you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
Okay. Pass it here.
Alright.
I need to hurl this soon.
Over here.
Alright.
What's better than a game show? A game show on fire!
All right. Here. There. Oh, dang it.
Ah, you
I think I have a good idea. So One of us will take the bomb. Here, give me the bomb. And then when you get to the edge of the corner.
Time's almost up.
Yeah.
Toss it back.
Hold up.
Toss it back. Toss it back. Let's go.
Toss
it back.
Open. Actually.
Toss it back.
Open.
Toss it in!
Let's go.
Oh, you made it. Great. I just was.
GLaDOS.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Never mind. What a thrill to broadcast live, isn't it? Now, my hopeful contestants,
Editor,
meet
show
a
GLaDOS
friend of
from
mine.
Portal 2
Get ready,
and
Zoe.
Portal 1.
Bring it on.
What the heck is this thing?
I guess we have to avoid that and throw a bomb at it or something.
Go. Toss. Toss it back.
We have to.
It's Blue Rock Rivals.
It wants it.
The greatest show on this side of the Milky Way.
Throw it back.
I can't.
The number one game show in the world that gives you certain excitement and certain death.
We need to blow up that Jumbotron sucker before this whole arena collapses.
Send it back.
Ice.
Die!
Over here.
Do your thing, Neo.
Say bye to GLaDOS.
Did we win? Yes. Jump. What?
Mother Nature again.
Hold on to your socks, Neo.
Oh, I'm steering it.
Oh, you have a gun too.
Zoe, I think we're about to get boarded. Get rid of them.
Oh, attack him! You have to defend me.
Ooh, I'm such a powerhouse.
I have the cool abilities. I have the whip, now this.
I think you can see my strat.
Hasta la vista.
Yeah, I see your strat. Oh, we're
We've
getting
been
boarded!
harpooned. They're whaling us.
Yeah.
But this is not a whale.
Are you able to
Try and
move
tell
the
them that.
You gotta hurry, you gotta... Are you able to pull out the harpoons?
No. It's just a cannon event you're gonna have to deal with.
Alright.
Oh, I've lost control. But you're the captain.
Don't lose control. Oh!
Brace for impact.
I am Groot.
This is the impending ice age. We're getting closer to the finale.
What the frick is that?
To the Ice King.
Me whistling.
First, the Monkey King.
The Monkey King!
So there's an Ice King and a Monkey King?
Let me fill you
Sun
in.
Wukong.
So, my sister Ella loves monkeys, and I...
Like I said, you don't have to explain it to me.
Stop
You know
being a
what?
joke.
Siblings! It's
I'm getting
it's
kind of
Ella
sick of
and
that.
her sibling.
But none of
Okay.
this makes any
I
sense.
thought it was like a
Oh, like you're
different
some
thing.
expert writer now. Last time I checked, you're just as unpublished as I am.
I don't care about
What is
getting
happening?
published right now. I just want to get out.
All I'm trying to do is tell you what I wrote so that we can be somewhat prepared.
Why am I being a little B-word?
Look, I didn't mean
We
to
need
come
to
off
fix
so
our
harsh.
relationship. Collaboration is
Being
key.
trapped in here is really getting on.
Collaboration! Oh. Monkey troll.
Stupid
Monkey troll.
traps. The
throne room of the great Monkey King is right up ahead. Be on your
Don't
best
disrespect the
behavior,
Monkey
please.
King.
I promise I'll try.
Is it, Sluggo Cog?
No.
What the heck?
Oh, I love this part!
Do we get to see Monkey fight Monkey?
Witness
Is that an 80s
the
monkey?
eighth wonder of the world,
I guess?
the Pinky Ring Bling,
It looks like a
the
neon
King
monkey.
of Sting, the Monkey King.
DK, Donkey Kong.
He likes to stroke his donkey.
What? Oh, it's this. It's memory.
Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic!
Oh man, I was
Great
hoping for a
focus.
Friday Night Funkin' game.
Let's add some
I was
flair to
too.
it. Alrighty, let's turn it up.
Alright, pay attention.
Alright.
Green, pink, blue, green.
Oh god.
You give me fever. Remember to have fun. You see, practice doth make perfect. Doctor, love it. It demands skill to mirror the king. But can you do the conga?
Conga!
Can you feel that? What's happening? Our bodies! They match the rhythm! I can't stop dancing! Woohoo! It's great, huh?
I am Groot. Are we doing a dance fight or something?
To the dance floor.
Oh, we have to grab our colors.
Well, someone also loves to be the center of attention. Shaboom!
Shaboom.
Skablama!
Don't stress it.
I'll be
You
your
get better with each
captain.
try.
Oh, it's like Snake. Don't touch yourself or the walls.
Alright, got it.
Shit!
Wow!
That was
Finally,
that
dang.
was garbage.
Why was that harder than the parkour?
Exactly.
Right on, you got it. Now let's get freaky.
Hey, yo!
Hey,
Diddy!
Diddy
Let's
Kong.
disco. Strike a pose. Come on.
Captain Ginyu of the Ginyu
Do you
Force!
feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Huh? Do you feel it?
Raccoon.
George! Berta!
And
Goldo.
left. Yeah.
Let go of me! Ah, get off me!
Oh, we have to pay attention to what he's doing.
Okay.
It's like that one Mario Party minigame.
Right. Down. Up. Bodacious boogie. And up. Left. Down. You're some cool looking cats. Oh, now that was slick. Let's turn up the heat.
Give me a Friday Night Funkin' minigame, please!
Yes, I'd rather do that than this.
As sweet as dates.
I tried belly dancing once.
What?
Focus. Focus, Mio, focus.
And down. Left. Right. Shimmy, shimmy, snake. Shimmy, shimmy, shake. And up. Down. Left. Yalla, baby. But you can't dance if you can't break dance. Let's go.
Yo!
Or
Yo,
breakdancing
this
now?
Kong is freaky.
Oh, yeah. The bomb, homie. The
I think it's
bomb,
the Donkey Kong that
homie.
no one
Don't lose the
wanted.
flair!
Oh god, I need a stretch.
And down. Up. Down. Yeah.
What?
That's not it.
Friendly fire.
And left, up, right. Booyah! Booyah!
I love that I'm the
Let's
only
go.
monkey that's not here.
And right, left, up.
Right?
Bro, your kind is here.
That's
It's
gonna
just
be the
you're the
toss-up
world's.
of the century.
You've got
Yeah,
some
I'm
moves
just a
too,
tree.
King.
You've earned your passage through my lands. Now, go and save the Underlands and end the Ice King's reign. High five!
High five, monkey!
Oh, down low. Too slow.
Hi, you're too slow.
Take that Ice King now. Ha!
That was brilliant.
You're crazy.
Let's go this way.
That was probably the best
By
part
the
of
way,
this whole
for someone
chapter
who
so far.
can't dance, you sure brought some sick moves.
Oh yeah, it's also
This
in
from
puzzle.
somewhere.
That's because it's awesome.
Oh wait.
What do I do?
We're going to.
Okay, so
You're gonna
we have
open
to-
this one up. Open this one. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pass it down this way. And
Oh,
then.
okay.
And then. And then activate the one you're standing on. And then activate that one again.
Alright, which one? Not this.
This one. No, this one, this one.
Why that one?
You'll see, you'll see. Bam. Now, activate this one.
Oh!
Now, activate that one. And then, skablama!
Good job. Hi.
Over here.
Oh, a side story. I hope it's mine this time. Oh, it's yours.
Really? I couldn't tell.
Yo?
Are you stopping the sun from exploding or something?
Is that
Yes.
sun?
A dying sun.
Oh, it's a dying sun.
You outdid yourself this time.
So basically, what we're just trying to prevent is a solar flare, or whatever it's called.
Oh, solar flare.
Solar flare!
But isn't this concept? Oh crap! Brace yourself!
But isn't this concept what?
Oh, dude, we just run. We just run.
No, no, boss!
Run!
Use the shields!
Oh, shoot!
Sai Itoshi!
Dem! Hurry! Final push!
Go, go!
Shield up now!
Oh!
We gotta work together.
Okay, one of us. Alright, I'll do it first.
Alright, we'll take turns.
Get behind me. Go! In front!
Shield, use the shield!
Shield up! Shield up! Keep pushing!
I'm trying, I'm trying!
At the edge of the horizon, the light that burns the sky.
No biggie!
Yeah.
Oh!
We're gonna see rockets.
Ah!
Oh, it's the black hole event! Guys, I love Fortnite.
Do you prefer this over It Takes Two or Split Fiction? What do you prefer?
To be honest,
Okay, Mew.
I don't like
The throne
books.
room is up next.
All right, let's dethrone the
Can
king.
you, do your job?
Oh, I am Groot.
Timber!
Go do yours.
Alright, I'll be there in a second. You should join me in the water. It's nice and cold.
How about you just let me launch the thing?
Guys, it's a SeaWorld exhibit.
Ooh, free butterfly. I have a butterfly. Come on, let's go.
Oh, but I don't wanna. Dang, bro.
Go!
Oh no, it's falling.
Man, I wonder if the ice cream is a baddie.
He
Oh,
is
it's a king,
hiding
wait.
somewhere.
Wait, hold up.
He is the most evil and dangerous menace alive.
Alright.
And if not defeated, the entire Underlands will fall into eternal winter. Neo?
Look what I found.
Bruh.
Step away from the cat.
Aren't you the cutest?
That's the
Can I eat it?
king.
Oh my
This little
gosh.
guy? Get out of here.
I raised him on our neighbor's cat. That devious little monster was always up to mischief. Stalking us, killing birds, mice, squirrels, everything.
It sounded like it was doing its
We are
job.
not killing a cat.
Pet me or die, human.
What the?
What?
Drop kick
Pet
it.
me or die.
Whoa. Take it easy, Snowball.
Drop kick
Yes,
it.
it is then. Whoosh!
That's the Ice King.
We're here to
I
end your
expected
icy
something
reign of terror once and for all.
More
Really? Do I
stronger.
ever get humans on my menu?
Facts.
Oh, poor me.
Not
Sweet Lord,
like that.
today
I
must
expected
be
something
my
else.
lucky day.
That's what I was expecting.
He shapeshifts
Ah.
too! The pearl is his source of power. We need to destroy it.
No.
You're not a cat.
Why are you so zesty?
Kitty wants to play.
How do we kill him?
Bring it to the runway!
Undertale, but 3D.
Cold as ice, twice as nice.
Oh,
Snare it, Zoe!
okay, I get it.
Should you pet me?
Owie.
A cocktail needs ice.
Those who mentioned cocktails. I need your help. Can you do something?
You need to. Oh.
Do something!
Well, I'm dead.
Take this, Snowball!
You know, I can't really do anything unless you pull his head down.
Don't you just love me?
No. I'm more of a dog person.
Run from ice.
I'm a bird guy, but I have a dog. I love birds.
Tweety bird.
I did see a pretty cat.
Gifts from above.
He hasn't done this thing yet.
Style is cold.
Do
Bring
it!
that furry ass down!
Bring him down!
Too close.
Strike him already, Neo!
I'm the immortal Monkey King!
Get in it, go.
Oh!
Water.
Dose!
You broke my nail.
That's for stalking
Go,
us!
go, go, go.
That suits you.
Uno!
Dos.
Tres!
This one's for all the animals you tortured!
What? You did what? So that goofy out dolls.
Yeah. Alright, can you break that or no?
We're about to see.
Well, throw frozen, Zoe.
Nope.
Don't panic.
I guess he has to break it or something.
I'll show you manners.
Oh, the thing exploded on the ice.
You won your last outfit.
Let it explode.
I did.
Oh Lord, I'll take the wheel. Behold me.
So just stay in the circle.
No sense of fashion.
Almost there. There you go.
The pond's open, Theo.
Alright, alley-oop on 2. 1, 2,
One.
alley!
3!
Oh, okay, I thought you were gonna do an alley-oop thing, but okay. I guess. Oh, monkey!
God of War, kill.
Kill it!
Eat it.
Oh, no, no, no. Don't let him trick you. Shoo! Shoo!
Oh yeah, I forgot this guy's a villain.
Oh yeah.
Is still not solved.
Look, I've got a plan. We're going to get them out.
I don't like where this is going.
First, we have accusations of the machine stealing ideas, and now this?
It's not about ideas. Ideas are easy. Everybody has them. We're extracting creativity from thousands of minds, all working for us to create masterpieces that you can live, touch, feel.
Sir, they're coming back.
That's called plagiarism, buddy.
On my way. I gotta go. Just trust me.
No.
There we go.
Boom.
I wonder how many more hits it can take.
I don't know.
So we've already done
We're
2
gonna find
hits
out.
on it.
Yeah.
I wonder what story is.
It's probably gonna be one of mine again.
Okay, we're ready.
Hit it.
Oh.
What was that?
Mio? Zoe?
Hello?
Hello, this is Raider, CEO of Raider Publishing. Do you copy?
We do.
Great. Firstly, I want to apologize for this minor inconvenience, but rest assured that we are working on a solution.
However, in order to provide you proper assistance, I need you to discontinue your pursuit of the glitches. It's only making our situation worse.
You can cut the crap. We've heard you the entire time.
You what?
We know that you just want to extract and steal all of our ideas. You crook.
No, you've got this all wrong. We only want to help you get published. I'm on your side.
Listen,
Okay, Baxter, stop.
we're breaking
Wait,
out.
no.
And if we
Baxter,
destroy the
stop,
machine
man,
at the
is
same
Teenage
time,
Mutant
so
Ninja
be it.
Turtles.
Yeah, you brought
Yeah,
this on
I
yourself.
meant, Harry Osborn.
There you go.
Wait, Mio, I might be able
Norman
to assist you with
Osborn.
your father's situation.
I was gonna say, Baxter Stockman is,
And if it's
doesn't
financial
sound right.
assistance you require, I might be able to help you.
Now listen to him, Mask.
Yes. And all you have
I
to
would
do in
never-
return is stop
She
pursuing
is not.
glitches.
She is
Isn't that
not.
why you
dark
came here in
skinned.
the first
I
place?
feel like my
To get
character is
paid?
actually better.
What if I told you that we could get rid of all your problems
Like in the,
You
It Takes
crook!
Two, like in the It Takes Two game,
your choice,
Mia was
Mio.
the better character. In this
Mio,
game, I
listen.
feel like my character's better a bit.
Everything he's told us.
Facts.
The publishing deal, the offer to assist us, it's all been lies. He only wants to take advantage of us. You said it yourself.
Yeah. Screw this guy.
No,
Yes!
you can't do this. Stop this madness right
Yeah!
now. I will not let you ruin my life's work.
Good chat. Very very productive.
Bye-bye.
Wait, I will find a way to stop you. Do you hear me? I will find a way to stop you.
Language.
Hey, this is a kid stream. The guy who swears says. Helldivers!
Yes!
Da, 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 da.
What is this?
Finally, some
What's
content.
Listen up, soldiers! This is Operation Final Dawn! Tonight, we go down in history!
Yes, Captain!
Our intel tells us that the god-forsaken mechs have invented their
It's
ultimate weapon.
Helldivers with Iron Man suits.
Get ready to drop.
Apparently.
What?
We are gonna get hit by a rocket any second, and everyone will die.
Everyone will die!
What? We're all gonna die?
No.
No, don't listen to her. Everything is gonna be fine. We're all gonna be fine.
Hey, if I die, please tell my wife and my son that I love them.
No.
Really, Neo?
Our mission! Seek and destroy the Sorcerer
Really,
Dynasty!
Neo?
Are we clear?
Ah!
Oh my god! Zoe, drop! I'm not doing this!
Push the button!
We drop in T-minus 60 seconds!
Now! No!
Da, 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 da.
We will see you in the next time. This will be to episode 3. Alright, thank you for sticking with the stream.
No!
Thanks for sticking with the stream, y'all. If y'all want to see more, like and subscribe.